Oh my goodness, entirely different video. Wow. I'm living here forever. Yep. Sorted. Okay, I'm going to take on this track, which is very uneven. I think I'm going to take it on. I'm going to have a bit more of a think. Oh, it's the getting out bit. I wouldn't be able to get out there if it rained. Maybe not there. I would be able to get out here. There's more down here. I've still got my tire on. I didn't realise there was so much here to look at. That's steep. Yeah, I'd be able to get up here. Oh, maybe I'll drive down the road a bit more. I'm out of breath. I've been looking at different campsites and there's only a couple really, and the rest is national park. And I'm blown away with this place and I want to live here. I'm gonna try and film it, and if I need to just not film, then I won't film. It's not really rocky yet. Like it is, but not the really rocky bit. Oh, there's a spot there. Sand. Whoa, it's making my steering wheel do its own thing. Okay, this is the part. I am stuffed. I'm completely stuck. There's rocks wedged. Oh my god. What did I do? Totally reversed, completely wrong. Oh my god, my tire. I can go forward. This is not good. Don't do what I just did. I have a lot to say about this. Meanwhile, I'm in a bit of shock. Meanwhile, I've just discovered the creepiest thing I've ever seen. No joke. Look at this. Is this real life? I almost picked it up. I thought it was like a piece of fabric, you know, like all woven together. And then they saw me and did this. What the? The caterpillars all together, moving as one. What does this mean? I don't know. Meanwhile, completely stuck. I can't reverse. Oh my god. I can't, the wheel won't go back over this. I can't go forwards because it's slipping, spinning on that or something. Definitely can't go back because of that. Oh, I think I'm going to be in for a big bill to get me out. And I don't know who to contact or anything. I don't have any phone reception. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's hilarious. Well, at least I've got food and water. And my tent, oh my god, I'm in shock. This is so embarrassing. You live and learn. I need to take a breather. Learn from this. Just, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I can't believe this. This is hilarious. Hey trees. I'm thinking, should I put my tent up? Yes. He loves it here. I love it here. I did say I never want to leave. I want to live here. Well, it looks like I am now. I can't believe this. This is so funny, silly, a very silly thing to do. But part of me still like, not really. I could do it, could have done it, just went the wrong way. Which is true, but I shouldn't have taken the risk. But at least now I know what this vehicle is and isn't capable of. Before this, my car was a 4-wheel drive, and that was actually my first car ever. And I only had that for a couple of years. And then I got this, so yeah, it's all learning. And I don't have to be too hard on myself. I mean, I always am. So I'm just gonna sort of be a bit gentle with myself about this whole thing and trust in how it's gonna work out. I have no idea. I don't have to know everything. I don't have to know. I don't have to have all the answers. Oh, it is gonna work out in some strange way. Some strange, amazing, cool way. Oh yeah, it did not help being very tired today, being kept up for a few nights, and last night I was actually, I was going to say quite afraid. Yeah, I was. Where I was parked, this vehicle came in, stopped in front of me. I had everything shut, all the curtains, everything. They flashed their lights on at me really bright at the car, and then they drove past slowly, and then they turned around and stopped behind my van and did the same thing. And they were like putting their high beams on and stuff, and they were like, yeah, so anyway, my point being, I couldn't get to sleep after that, understandably, and just being, pretty tired today, and yeah, it's turned out pretty funny. Did not see this coming. Didn't see this coming. Oh my goodness, I'm so hoping that, I'm really hoping that he does not discover this, because that would be so embarrassing. No. N-O. No. Yes, this is a crowbar I found in a river. Oh, my hair. I've got such hat hair. This looks a bit funny. Yeah, back to my point. This is my crowbar. I found it in a river. Picked it up and thought, oh, keep it for protection. Imagine if it actually, like, moved that rock and helped me get out of here. I'm going to give it a try. I should really put the tent up so I don't look so stark. Yeah, I might do that. Minus the mattress. I could not be bothered when I put the tent up. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna rain. Better do it now. No time like the present. Wouldn't want to be stuck anywhere else. I mean, I'm not stuck. We can't move forward or backwards. So you gotta laugh, right? You gotta have a sense of humor. For sure. But mind you, I am about to run into the river. I'm this close to doing it. Red clay. Must be good for you. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's hilarious. What the heck? Someone's chosen to park on the rocks. Cool. Nice spot. Oh, how creepy. That was so super weird. Super creepy. That's like some kind of sign of some sort. I've got it still figure it out because it was right in front to the path. Oh my gosh, I need to find it otherwise. It's just so creepy. So weird. It looks sleepy now. Oh, mistake. Whole thing. Mistake. Alright. Tent. Let's put the tent up. I really don't want anyone to come around and check if I made it, because I think the house that's over there, they could have. I was burning rubber trying to get up. They may have smelled it, may have heard it. I think they'll probably wait like a day or two, check, or maybe not. I'd be fine if nobody came here, ever, like ever. I was thinking like in a couple of days I'll go for a walk, like maybe tomorrow even, and find that house and speak to the people, or I will call 000 because I'll have to, and go from there. Yeah, okay, tent time. It's raining, it's a sun shower. Aww. Things are okay, it's gonna work out. Everything happens for a reason. What the heck was that? Some weird song. Some very weird tune. Lack of sleep, people. Sleep is important. Even if there are crazy, like, weirdos around that get really aggressive over a 5-day long weekend. It's been a 5-day long weekend. They love the footy and they love to, celebrate, and I went for 5 days. Anyway, 10 time. Focus. I also did celebrate a little bit. Don't get me wrong. Wow, this is so epic. Look at this. I mean, hello. If I put the tent there, if the car will be able to get around. Imagine if it just couldn't be helped and I had to stay there forever. So would I. I don't have to stay here forever. I don't know what they're going to do. Toll it out. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. I've only got you to talk to about it. You're going through all of this with me. All of it. That's great. Look at this. I'm just going to turn the camera around. Take it off me. I'm not feeling too crash hot at the moment. I need my beer to sleep. Oh, look at this beautiful rain. You can see. Oh, that is divine. That is so special. Yeah, I haven't been able to settle yet. Because of this ordeal. Probably could have done it if I wasn't so distracted by, because I was filming it, I had to film it. I wasn't going to, I was just going to stop and, anyway, it is what it is, right? Whew. Wow, I just got a really big fright. I thought my chair was a person. Standing there, come to say, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. That's where I chose to park. I love it here. I do, I love it. Oh, that water looks good. I'm definitely getting in. I'm so hot right now, I could get in. But the current looks quite strong, doesn't it? Very, very strong. I will not be getting in there right now. Here we go. I'm so tired. rain after. But I just realised that means I have to blow up the mattress. Guess how much I feel like doing that? Zilch, zero, nada. Thirsty. Gotta keep going before it rains because I think it's gonna rain. I don't want to disturb the peace, you know. I don't want a big thing to happen. I'm not ready for that. I just got here. And yeah, but I also don't want them to worry, so no one to worry. But in saying that, I have been out of range for over a week before, and yeah, I just kept sending good vibes and it was all good. This looks amazing. All of this is worth it. Yeah, it'd be nice. Oh, this rain's beautiful. It's raining just like the right amount. It's really nice. Hello. Aloha. There has been a little thing happen, but I'm okay. Everything's fine. And after that, I actually felt really relieved, and I got like the goosebumps, the love bumps, the vibration, the kundalini up my whole body. Jump in the river tomorrow and then get my hot shower on if I can find a spot to put it. They're everywhere. Hello, I see you. Thank you. Yeah. I'm gonna try. Low battery, whatever. Storm life. I did that in 4 steps, literally. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm up here. What a beautiful river. Quite a flow. Oh, you're such a good boy. Where are you? Hi. Yeah. Hey, you won't be able to get up here. Oh, he's trying. Good boy. I'm not going to go over. I'm not going over the other side. It's okay. You stay there. Just looking. Can't go over. Alright, can I get back down without slipping over? Yes, I can. Good boy, on you go. Hey, the rain almost stopped. Good boy. Maybe I should. What if I called like the police and said, yeah, no, I've decided. I'm just going to wait till tomorrow and see how I feel about, yeah. Look at this tree. That is huge. It's gnarly, isn't it? It's a very old tree. Oh, but it's really indecisive. It's really hard when you don't have any reception. You can't like talk to anyone, or you can't even see maps. You can't get like a rebound opinion off anyone. I don't know if I'll be able to sleep tonight. This is definitely heaps incentive to definitely get my like internet booster thing sorted ASAP. Where is this house? I'm really tempted. Stay there, boy. There's a road here. And then it's like, oh, you don't want to intrude on people. Stay here. Get out of the mud. Here, now. Here. Come here. Yeah. Out of the mud. I know you're a joy boy. Oh, yeah. I can see over there. Don't want to intrude, but yeah, people in towns like this, they're always amazing. Look at this scenery. Like they'd be really happy to help, I'm sure. I can't take you though, like this. You'll be barking your head off, and maybe I should leave you at the car. What is my intuition telling me? The water's been showing me that just go with the flow. Don't go against the current. Just go with it. Oh, and earlier when I was trying to put the mattress in the tent, it was like impossible. My goodness. I said, nothing's working out for me today. And then I said the opposite. I said, everything is working out for me today. Everything is working out for me today. Might not look like it at all, but it's working out. You just don't know. You just don't know yet, sort of thing. This is definitely a good lesson. Many lessons all in one. Definitely a good lesson. Guess what I'm looking at? What a magnificent force. Look at this. This is ginormous. I would fit like there. This has been completely worth it to come see you. Crazy, amazing, ancient, gnarly, beautiful tree. What happened to you? I think it caught on fire. It caught on fire, hollowed it out. And it kept surviving. Like they do. Oh, that is... Nah, this is something special. This is really special. See how big it is? It's huge. Wish my phone wasn't gonna die. Oh my goodness, I feel so completely safe in here. I feel safe. I'm standing in here, I feel safe. Hey, tree. Wow. I feel so safe. I don't remember feeling this safe. Thank you. Thank you, tree. What is your name? Eulalia. What's your name, tell me? Uladia. Okay, I love that. That's beautiful. Uladia. No, its name is Ula. Yeah, that's what I got first. Ula. But the Uladia is the meaning, like the proper meaning. Long way of saying it. Look at all these ridges. You're a magical tree here, like being as majestic and huge and amazing as you are. I'm just gonna stand here. I'm gonna ask the tree. I'm gonna ask you, Ula, what to do. Grandmother, Ula. Okay, she said, plant your feet firmly within me. Feel my roots. My roots are your roots. They are joined, connected. You need not touch. Don't be afraid. You are brave. You know you are. Follow that. Do not be dismayed or swayed by the fear of others. Open your eyes. What do you see? I see real wanting that way. As in, don't need to go and get people and create a thing. You can relax. He's okay. Oh my gosh. It just started cracking. Did you hear that? I thought it was like gonna fall down or something on me. You totally creaked for me. You went. She moved, morphed. Oh, I hope the camera caught it. I'm sure it did, because I definitely heard it. Ooh, do you see that bird? What's all going on? Hey, bird. Oh, I want to sleep here. Let's sleep in here tonight. Been saging and incensing my van and the whole thing, but I only had a tiny bit of sage. Then I remembered I've got this lavender and sage. I also have another one that's 4 times as big as this one, but yeah, I'm like that now. Lavender sage in the mountains. No maps, no reception. Didn't even know where I was or where I was going. On my way. Got up this morning very early in the beautiful rain and put my feet in there. It was so good and freshened up with that cool, very cold water. Really nice. Still sprinkling, but I think I'm going to do some washing and make a clothesline. I always enjoy that. I haven't done it very often, but yeah, it's something to do. Get out of the van as well. I'm lucky I've got all this space here at the door, the sliding door. I mean, I did it on purpose. I set it up that way. Or this. I'm wondering, could another car actually fit up here to tow me up and out? Because that's not moving. Can't move, can't go forwards or backwards. And I think, yeah, there is enough room there. Towed from the back. But that can't happen unless that rock's removed, that boulder. I tried a little bit with a crowbar to sort of get that one out of the way, because I don't like how my tyre's sitting with it. I'm sure it's fine, it's not damaging my tyre. Yeah, it's a shame. This all would have worked except for this, for my tyre just spinning, because that basically meant the vehicle had stopped. As soon as it had stopped moving, the momentum of the movement, when that stopped, stuck. Yeah, I really want to move this. Maybe I'll just keep trying. I'll start trying to move things, because it's quite wedged. I wonder if I could move that, but I don't want, I do not want to move something and the car to like roll backwards on my hand or something. Yeah, just something to be wary of. Oh, hey. Oh, you're my best bud. You're talking car stuff. What are you looking at all the rocks for? What are the rocks for? What are they about, Mama? They're there because this is the nature and you're meant to be with the rocks. Because I know how much you love the rocks. There's rocks over there on the cliff, see? There's rocks everywhere. Yes, I do love all the rocks. There are some really cool ones here I can't wait to show you. And up here, you see so many faces. I just kind of wish I could move the car. Like, I could go that way. I could go down there. Turn around if I liked. I could go down here. Oh, what you found? You got me some capsicum, Mama. It's your favorite. It's my favorite too. Capsicum. Nom nom nom. Progression. I've moved a whole bunch over there. I'm going to keep one of these. One of the rocks that enabled me to live, to be stuck, to live in this beautiful place. I'll know the rock when I see it. That's what I say when people ask me, where are you going next, or where are you going? I say, I'll know it when I see it. I'll know it when I'm there. Kookas! Kookaburras in the distance. Where is the camera park? I want to look at you. Look at you when I'm talking here. There. Hi. Really wedged. working with me. Well, because I know how much I appreciate them and love them and collect them. Because I just don't. I know I don't need to hold on to anything in this life. Attached to nothing. No attachments. So. Anyway. This is the one that I want. This is the ones I want. That played a big part in my journey. Arriving here yesterday. This rock. Oh, come on, rock. Because I didn't even see this rock when I was driving in. You end up being steered by all the rocks if you're not careful. So I've learnt that. Also I've learnt, no, I did look at the track, I got out of the car, looked at it, walked it. I didn't really make a proper, I don't know why I didn't really make a proper route. I just sort of thought I'd do it when I got to it, when I was doing it. Yeah, good to keep an eye out for big boulders like this and stuff. If you're going to take on this kind of terrain. Just want you out of the way a bit more. Nice. I'm gonna go get my shovel, I think, and move more rocks. Move these. Move some of those. Oh, this is hard work. Yeah. Didn't even know my hat was on like that. I like it. So the latest is I actually think I might have a flat tire. That tire might be flat. Whew, did you see that flash of light? Yeah. And I have been removing all the rocks and all the boulders from over there. I'll show you here in a minute. Oh, they're really heavy and I'm tired. Anyway, I think the tire might be flat because I started looking at it and thinking, you know how I thought it was like spinning on the mud? Well, it wasn't on mud, it was on rocks. And I could smell, there was like a bit of smoke or something, I could smell rubber. Yeah, so that does indicate that it was spinning. But I was just looking at it and thinking, what if it's actually a flat tire? I do have a jack in the car. I'm good at learning things. I think the best way to learn is by actually doing something. So I may have to do that. That'll be interesting.